What if I told you that starting a simple blog or YouTube channel today could start paying you within months? Not years, not when you feel ready, but starting now, even if you're broke. Some creators are quietly making $5,000 to $10,000 a month doing this. And no, they didn't start with fancy gear or a huge audience. Stay with me, because I'm going to show you 2 simple strategies that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your knowledge or passion into income using either a niche blog or a focused YouTube channel. First, let's talk about the real struggle. You've seen people online making money from content and thought, why not me? But then the doubts hit. What do I talk about? What if I fail? What if nobody watches? Here's the truth. The internet isn't too crowded, it's just full of people who started before they felt ready. And here's what nobody tells you. You can start today with just your phone. No studio, no team, no big budget. Strategy 1, start a niche blog. Pick one focused topic. Fitness, tech, travel, budgeting, anything people actively search for. Your job is simple. Answer real questions people type into Google. Post 1 or 2 helpful articles per week. Keep your writing clear and simple. How do you make money? 2 main ways, affiliate marketing and display ads. With affiliate marketing, you recommend products. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, often 4 to 10%. As traffic grows, those commissions stack up. Display ads pay you per 1,000 views once your blog gets consistent traffic. It's not instant. It may take 6 to 12 months to see real results. But blog posts stay online for years. They keep working long after you publish them. Costs are low. A domain and hosting can cost under $10 per month. Now strategy 2, YouTube. Same principle. Pick one topic. Solve problems. Post 1 video per week. You don't need an expensive camera. Your phone is enough. Use natural light from a window. A simple microphone improves sound. Free editing apps like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve are more than enough. How do you earn on YouTube? First, ads. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to unlock monetization. It takes time, but consistency wins. Second, affiliate links in your description. Third, sponsorships once your channel grows. And here's the powerful part. Videos stay online forever. One strong video can earn money for years. Notice the pattern. You're not just creating content. You're building digital assets. Each blog post and each video becomes something that works for you 24/7. The first few months, probably zero income. But months 6 to 12, momentum starts building. Most people quit too early. That's why most people never see results. Remember what I said at the beginning? This isn't crazy. It's realistic, but only if you start. If you found this helpful, subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you how to choose the perfect niche, step by step, and which free tools to use. One final thought. What stops most people isn't lack of knowledge. It's hesitation. You now have the plan. Today is the start. Subscribe and let's build something that pays you back. See you in the next video.